This is how you create a cool, dynamic health bar in Godot. You'll need 4 images, one for the circular progress shape, one for its base, a rectangular progress bar, and the base for the rectangle. First, create a canvas layer to hold the progress bar. Attach a Node 2D to it so it can be easily rescaled later if needed. Next, add a texture progress node and duplicate it, one for the circular progress bar and another for the rectangular bar. Assign the appropriate images to each texture section, and for the circular bar, set the fill mode to clockwise. In the radial fill section, adjust the initial angle from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, then set the fill degree to 270 so the progress covers 3/4 of the circle. In the range section, set the step value to 0.01 to ensure a smooth progression. For the rectangular bar, follow a similar process. Drag the images into place, then set the minimum and maximum values from 50 to 100 and 0 to 50 for the circular bar. Next, reposition the rectangle to align with the circle's shape. Afterward, I'll create a scroll bar to display the results. I did that by adding a horizontal scroll bar and link it to a progress bar to show the values. Attach a script to the canvas layer and connect the health bar values to the progress bar for synchronization. And that should do the trick. There you have it, a fully working health bar system. Thanks for watching.